Afternoon, welcome to sunny Swanage, where today we're looking at an issue, we're looking at an issue with this bit of ground here. This ground, you probably can't see it, but the ground has sunk, and the suspicion is that the drain that runs down through this field, and I'm suspecting that gully comes across, there's a suspicion that the ground has gone. The drain is running pretty fast at the minute, so there's not been any rain for the last day or so, believe it or not, for Dorset, because we have literally been like a sinking ship. So I'm guessing that all the water is running from this. So what I'm going to do to start with is I'm going to do a bit of dye testing, and we'll see if that's coming through. So what we'll do here, we've got a bit of green dye, and what we'll do is we're gonna pour some of this into our little stream, and then we'll follow that as we turn the town green. We're going to follow that through. That'll come into our gully, and then we'll check in our manhole to see whether that's coming through into our drain. Into our drain. And we'll check and see whether it comes through here. If it comes through there, which I'm highly suspecting it is, then we know where all that water's going. And then what we'll do, there it is. What we'll do now is we'll check this line across, because that pretty much marries dead where this little dipped area is, and then we'll check this line with the camera down here. So what we'll do is we'll set up for a camera, we'll have a little look. What we're doing here is changing the skid on the camera for the different diameter pipes. This one's for a bigger pipe. You spin it on.